Hey, this will be a video chart on BRZL. I know I've done this one at least one other time, but want to get it updated again. Had some people bring it to my attention, and it's looking like something may just be getting started here, and I'll explain what I mean more by that in just a few seconds here. But a nice looking chart. I do remember it the first time when I had a couple nice bounces here, and then things kind of were looking pretty nasty. But now there's kind of a big question that's popped itself up, and the question becomes actually two of them, two main questions. The first being, was this a capitulation day? Right now, it seems the answer is yes, but you can't really base that off of one day's worth of action. But you see this big selling, the nasty candle, and it's looking like whatever was the reason or whatever was the cause of this decline here, after today's action, it looks like possibly the cause of that is out. So whether or not that was a big seller or a group of sellers, it seems like they're either out of shares or they've lightened up their selling. As it demonstrated, the price was clearly able to breathe today. So that's the first question. The other question is, are we in the middle, or are we at the beginning of a double bounce? Double bounce is just a pattern play type thing within the world of charts, and I am getting that from and actually this just worked out perfectly while I just noticed it. But to save argument's sake, we'll just draw the two lows right here. The first being at 0.0034, the second being right here at 0.0036. And as you can see, yesterday the low split it right in between. So anybody that wants to argue yesterday's action, appeased both sides. So came down here, clearly found support, bounced up, and then today this bounce followed through. So if this is a double bottom bounce, then it should have a lot more headway going on. And if yesterday was truly a capitulation day, and this is just the beginning of a double bounce, then this chart is going to be shooting up on a lot of people's scanners because this could get pretty exciting. So where is the first level of resistance? Well, if this is a true double bounce and the sellers are out, then at a minimum I would say the James Bond level up here at 007 will be tested. That is the key level of resistance. You can see that multiple times the price has tried to bounce up and get through this region numerous times. So this is definitely going to be a key level of resistance. But if the bulls can get past James Bond up here, then there's going to be a lot of room to run. I don't want to get ahead of ourselves, one step at a time. But in terms of resistance levels, 0.007 is going to be the key level to keep your eye on with any sort of follow through. So once more in a nutshell, was yesterday capitulation day? After today's action, the answer to that would be yes, but at the same time, you can't make that claim based on just one day's worth of price action. We'll need other sorts of confirmation. But if it was truly a day of capitulation, and this is just the beginning of the double bounce pattern, then, like I said, I think this chart is going to be going to the top of a lot of people's watch lists. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was BRZL. Thanks for listening.